Hey, Seth Rocco here with EastIdahoNews.com. Right now we're on the 300 block of West 16th Street in Idaho Falls. I'm going to turn the camera around here for you so you can see it. It's a fully involved structure fire. So right now the fire department's doing what's called an offensive attack. They have attack teams going inside the house with hoses. They call it an offensive attack. Right now there's fire coming out of the attic. The fire's entered into the attic. You can see it coming out of the eaves. They have other attack teams staging outside the house. They have safety teams. They just pulled up a gurney in front of the house. We don't know if anyone's hurt, but they did pull up a gurney. I have several crews on scene. All of 16th Street here, about the 300 block, is blocked off right now. Several Idaho Falls police officers are also on scene for traffic control. I'll turn the camera back around. You can see water coming out. They've got water into the attic. It looks like they've made entry into that at some point. Let's turn this back around so you guys can see. They're still fighting this fire from inside. We'll keep you posted on the more details as they come in. Stick with EastIdahoNews.com.